Hey, what's up, guys, and welcome back. And you may be wondering, if you've been watching me for a long time, why have you done this series 4 times? And how come at the start of the second one, and the third one, you asked, you would ask, why am I doing this again? And you'd also ask, by the third one, why I'm saying the same thing every single time. And this time, I'm gonna go through with it. The last time I didn't. The time before that I didn't. The time before that I didn't. But basically, we're gonna do some Minecraft plugin coding, and you have to know Java. There's an API that I'm gonna teach you some stuff about, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm just gonna create a Java project here. I'm just gonna call it episode 1, and basically you need your spigot jars now. The spigot jars are gotten through build tools and spigotemc.org. You can look it up on there. They have everything. But right now, pause the video, go on there, and get those jar files. All right, ready? I'm guessing you're ready, right? So head into next, and then head to libraries, and add some external jars, and select all the versions you want that are the ones that you want your plugin to support. And I want this one to support 1.8 through 1.12, so I'm going to select all those. There's one thing that's the most important when you're making a Minecraft plugin. If you do not have this, the plugin just doesn't work. It's done. And that is, you right click on your actual plugin right here in Eclipse. If you have Eclipse, if you have something else, then I don't know what to tell you, but create a plugin.yml. Now this has many different things you can add, but we'll start with the basics, the 3 you need. Name. This is the name of your plugin. We're just going to call it episode 1. Version, which is a version of plugin. We're going to do 1.0, just for the basic thing. And main. Now main is basically, it's the path to your main class. So we're actually going to make our main class now so we can add that. Right click on source, create new class, name your class, but then don't click finish yet. Hold off on that. So we're just going to call it main for the sources for this, since we're not really doing anything at all. And then we're just going to put in, you're normally supposed to, of course, put in like a web address, but me dot your name dot first, I guess. I mean, I don't really know what to put here. There's no actual title. But I'm actually just going to copy this right here, and I'm going to put it over main, and I'm going to put dot main. And your plugin.yml is officially ready for an actual plugin. But now you may be wondering, is this plugin done? Well, no, this is not a plugin yet. You need a main class, and a main class is the class that extends Java plugin. Control-Shift-O and import that, and boom. And everyone, is it a Minecraft plugin? Yes, but not really. It doesn't do anything, and even so, it doesn't have the base method set up. So we're going to create those now. We're just going to do @override public void on enable, just like that. And now there's one more. It's @override public void on disable. Now basically what these are is exactly what the name is: on server enable, on server disable. Now when the server enables, we're going to send a message saying the plugin has enabled, you did it. So what we're going to do is we're going to put buckets dot get server, oops, I'm sorry, not get server, yeah, get logger, my bad, dot, and then there's 3 different levels. There's info, there's warning, and there's severe. But we're just going to do a simple info message, and it's just a string, and it says, what did I say I was going to, I have no clue what I said I was going to put in there. Absolutely, it just drained from my mind. So we're just going to put, you did it, your first Minecraft plugin. Alright, and you can also send an on disable one, and that's exactly what we'll do. So, boom. Closing down your first ever Minecraft plugin. I'm not trying to type too fast just in case I mess someone up. There's going to be a lot of people who probably don't type that fast and probably type pretty slow, but most of you probably type pretty fast because you're programmers. I mean, it's just a common thing. But if you are watching this and you don't know Java, remember, you have to know that first. You aren't going to understand what any of this means. And when I said method earlier, you weren't going to know what that is until I did this. You're going to be like, oh, it's one of these things with the public and the void and the name, and you won't get it. So we're going to add a couple things to our plugin.yml. The first thing we're going to add, these are unmandatory, but they can be used, and it's description. Now it's the description of your plugin. Like in-game, you use /pl or /plugin, and it shows episode 1, but if you do /help, and it shows little things in, like, essentials, you know, it will show right there. Blah, 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 whatever you put under your description. What else we put? Your first Minecraft plugin. I'm not going to go in-game, but I will test it out and show you how it works. And also, we'll do author. Now, author, you just put in the author. So I'm putting me here. And we have a plugin. Now, how do we export it? Now, if you're on Eclipse, you should know how to export something. Or if you're on anything, you know how to export something. We're gonna export it into my server here. That's on my desktop, and we're going to call it episode 1. And we will finish this. And it is now a finished plugin. Now here, I'll go over something real quick. When you export it, make sure you are exporting as a jar file, not a runnable jar file or anything else. Make sure it's just a jar file. Alright? But yeah, anyways, that's it. That's all you need to know. Next episode, we're going to create a first command. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you could click that like button, I'll see you later. Goodbye.